Hi folks, back with you again. Warning now has been extended through all of LaSalle Parish. Let's take a look at that. That's that old warning from Grant and Winn Parish, which still is valid for some of them in the far southeast part of the corner of Winn Parish, right in here. As you can see, there's a parish border. There's the warning line. So you see very little of Winn Parish. A good bit of Grant still in this. In Grant, looks like we've got Pollock, Dry Prong, Antonia. We've got Bentley, Creola, Baghdad, Sims, Magnolia Park, going up in toward Faircloth, Williana, Breezy Hill, Georgetown, and Tansy. And then over into LaSalle Parish there. Bob out there, hello to you folks. So you're in this severe thunderstorm warning. This is a standard warning for quarter-size hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. Earlier we had an enhanced warning for enhanced size hail. There was potential up to around tennis ball size up in the Verda, near Montgomery, and then toward the Hargis community, somewhere in that part of Grant, maybe a couple other places. We could have seen that. It was indicated by radar. So in LaSalle Parish, what we're looking at is looks like about the whole parish, except not up to Olla. Olla, Kelly, Clark's not in that. Right about Urania and then south. So if you're in LaSalle Parish, south of Urania, you're in this warning, which includes Catahoula Lake and everywhere else in LaSalle Parish. So strong wind, maybe up to 60 miles per hour. You still could have some quarter-size hail with that very heavy rainfall. And look at this lightning, which continues to be dramatically intense there across that part of the world. This loud storm, as I promised you, some of these would be. So it's happening with that. And lightning in and of itself is a severe manifestation of storms. Lightning kills and injures people and animals, and of course it creates power outages, it damages equipment. Again, lightning by itself is something to deal with. So what you should do is stay indoors, stay away from windows, and don't travel in the warned area, because these rainfall rates are very high and could lead to some flash flooding in some susceptible places at times. There are no flash flood warnings out here yet out of this, but I did see Montgomery picked up over 2 inches of rain. There could have been some heavier rains there across northwest Grant and maybe southwest Winn Parish. And then we continue to see a line of thunderstorms extend off to the southwest. We see an occasional lightning strike over in that direction all the way across north Vernon Parish between Simpson and Anacoco in that particular area. So that's moving southeast. We're also seeing rapid development here in northwest Rapides Parish. Let me turn the lightning on there, but we can see still some lightning in and around that. So again, that's an active area to watch. And so eventually, yeah, this all is going to kind of close in on the Alexandria-Pineville Metro. This area's actually got a little further south than I thought it would. That's going to actually clip maybe Bob out toward Esther Airport and then into southern and central LaSalle parishes, which is why the warning's out there. No warning for Rapides yet. Now let me go back upstream a little. We're still watching these big clusters of storms there near Jasper. That one's had a history of large hail and damaging wind. We see a second cluster working towards Silsby and Lumberton. And so we're monitoring those areas as well for the potential that this could organize into a convective complex. But right now it looks less like a convective complex than it did an hour and a half ago. So that is an area where the eventual evolution remains to be seen. But our high resolution model, the HRR or the HRRR model, indicates that will be a little storm complex in the near future. So again, we'll continue to watch all this, but the purpose of this is to bring that warning up for all of LaSalle Parish up to near Urania and then southward. So if you're south of Urania in LaSalle Parish, you're in this warned area. All right, quarter-size hail is 60-mile-per-hour wind, strong lightning, and very heavy rainfall rates. All right, take care. I'll see you on the next warning, which don't know when it'll be, but probably won't be too long. Have a good one.